Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have come up with magic short tricks on conic sections. I'll be discussing 6 tricks for you. They are very simple, and if you remember these tricks, then I am very sure that you will be able to perform better in the examination. Let us start with the first trick. Look here. Length of latus rectum of parabola. Now this is the general equation of the parabola. We have to find the latus rectum. What is latus rectum? It is the length of the perpendicular drawn through the focus of the parabola. So the trick is coefficient of y over coefficient of x square, that is b over a, simply b over a. And if it is like this is ax square, and this is py square plus qy plus rx plus s. So here कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x ओवर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर. देखिए ऊपर वाले में कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर नीचे था, यहाँ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर नीचे है. ऊपर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y था, यहाँ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x है. सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है. इस केस में a और b था, अब यहाँ पे r ओवर p हो जाएगा. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज r, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर इज p. So let us apply this in the example. Now example is here. The length of the latus rectum of the parabola, here y is equal to x tan alpha minus 9 x square over 2u square cos square alpha is one of the options is there. Now look here, as per the trick, length of the latus rectum of the parabola is coefficient of y over coefficient of x square. Coefficient of y over coefficient of x square. Now look here, what is coefficient of y? It is 1. What is coefficient of x square? Minus 9 over 2u square cos square alpha. Simply write this, coefficient of y over coefficient of x square. So this is 1, coefficient of y is 1, and coefficient of x square is minus 9 over this, minus 9 over this. Question is done. Option A is there. Look here, answer has come 2u square cos square alpha by 2. Here also it is 2u square cos square alpha, it's not 9, it is g. Okay, now let us go to example number 2. You have to find the length of the latus rectum of the parabola. X is equal to a y square plus by plus c. Now solution. देखिए y स्क्वायर है, ये नीचे जो है ये नीचे रहेगा, x का कोफिशिएंट ऊपर रहेगा, x का कोफिशिएंट y है, y स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट a है. 1 over a, very simple. Question is done. Now let us go to next. Example number 3. Find the length of the latus rectum of the parabola. 3x square minus 6x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Options are given to you. Now let us proceed with the formula. देखिए x square वाला नीचे आएगा, x square वाला नीचे आएगा, coefficient. Coefficient of y is here minus 1. So it is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is 3. Question is done. It is minus 1 over 3. Take the modulus. Magnitude we require 1 over 3. Question is done. Very simple tricks. Now let us go to the next. Trick number 2. Magic trick number 2 says equation of axis of parabola. Now here, if the parabola is of this shape, ax square plus bx plus cy plus d equal to 0, simply differentiate with respect to x. अब देखिए यहाँ पे ये यहाँ से डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे 2ax आ जाएगा प्लस b आ जाएगा, दैट्स ऑल, टेकिंग y एज कांस्टेंट. नाउ differentiate here in this case py square plus qy plus rx plus s. यहाँ पे y square है, differentiate with respect to y. We will get the equation. Now let us go with the example. The equation of axis of the parabola x square minus 4x minus 3y plus 10 is 0. देखिए x square अपीयर हो रहा है. Differentiate with respect to x. Let us differentiate with respect to x. What do we get? X square का derivative 2x minus 4x का minus 4. That's all. Taking y as constant, derivative will be 0, derivative will be 0. So 2x minus 4 is 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the axis of the parabola. Question is done within a minute. Now let us go to example number 2. We have to find the axis of the parabola here. Equation is 4y square minus 6x minus 4y equal to 5. Options are given to you. Now let us differentiate. यहाँ क्या है? Y square है. Let us differentiate with respect to y. So this is d dy of 4y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 5. 4y का डेरिवेटिव 8y, 4y का 4, बाकी डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाएंगे क्योंकि x will be constant here. So taking 4 common we get 2y minus 1 and you see this is option C. So answer is option C. Question is done. Very simple. Find the equation of the axis of the parabola. This is the parabola. देखिए x स्क्वायर अपीयर हो रहा है. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. ये 6x बन जाएगा माइनस 6 कॉमन, x माइनस 1 इज 0. ऑप्शन बी इज देयर. वेरी सिंपल. नाउ लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट. ट्रिक नंबर 3. Trick number 3 is about the tangents drawn from the point x1 y1 to the parabola of the shape y square is equal to 4x. And these make angle theta. These two tangents make angle theta. Then tangent theta will be equal to modulus of s1 square root over x1 plus a. ये आपको याद रखना है कि टेंजेंट थीटा आपको निकालना होता है यहाँ से स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ s1. s1 व्हाट इज s1? ये जो x1 y1 दिया हुआ है ये आप इक्वेशन में लगा दीजिए, पैराबोला की इक्वेशन में लगा दीजिए. इट बिकम्स s1. नाउ दिस इज द फार्मूला. सो वी शैल गो with the example. Tangents are drawn from the point minus 2 minus 1. This is x1, this is y1. To the parabola y square is equal to 4x. It is of this shape. Here a is 1. If alpha is the angle between these tangents, then tangent x equals, let us apply the formula. First of all, let us calculate what is s1. s1 works out 9 and x1 y1 is minus 2 minus 1. The formula is this. Formula is under root s1. s1 कितना निकला है हमारा? 9. यहाँ लगा देंगे. And x1 plus a is 1 here. And x1 is given to you as minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. That's all. So 9 का स्क्वायर रूट 3 और माइनस 2 प्लस 1 माइनस 1 आ गया. मॉडुलस करेंगे तो ये प्लस का हो जाएगा. ऑप्शन ए इज देयर. ऑप्शन ए इज देयर. वेरी सिंपल. नाउ लेट अस गो टू ट्रिक नंबर 4. We have to find the eccentricity of the ellipse, and it is equation of ellipse is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e. The formula is if a is greater than b, अगर x का कोफिशिएंट बड़ा है y का कोफिशिएंट छोटा है, it will be 1 minus कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर ओवर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर, क्योंकि e का वैल्यू 1 से कम होता है. सो जो छोटे वाला कोफिशिएंट होगा वो ऊपर, बड़े वाला कोफिशिएंट नीचे. इन दिस केस a छोटा है, b बड़ा है. ठीक है, कोफिशिएंट विल बी रिटन अकॉर्डिंगली. Now in this case a is smaller than b, e will be equal to coefficient of x square over coefficient of y square. Let us take it with the example. It is x square plus 4y square plus 2x plus 16y plus 13 equal to 0. This represents an ellipse. Then eccentricity is one of the options. As per trick above, what is a here? 1. What is b here? 4. And here b is greater than a. 4 is greater than 1. So आपको फार्मूला इज 1 माइनस छोटे वाला ऊपर, बड़े वाला नीचे, a ऊपर b नीचे, क्योंकि e का वैल्यू इलिप्स के केस में 1 से कम होता है. सो 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 root 3 by 2. Option C is there. Option C is there. Very simple. Let us go to next trick. Trick number 5. Trick number 5 states length of the latest rectum of the ellipse is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. Length of the latest rectum होता है if a is greater than b, 2 coefficient of y square over under root coefficient of x square. And if it is otherwise b is greater than a, then 2 coefficient of x square over coefficient of y square. We will apply this trick. Now look here with the example. Example is 4x square. अब देखिए a कितना हो गया 4, 9y square, b कितना हो गया 9. We are concerned with a and b, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square in the formula. So we have come to know that a is 4 and b is 9, and here b is greater than a. As per the trick above, length of the latest rectum will be 2a. Look here, 2a coefficient of x square over coefficient of y square over under root b. It is in the under root. So it will be 2a. A is your 4 and b is 9. 9 का square root 3 हो गया. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by 3 is the answer. Option A is there. Now let us go to trick number 6. Eccentricity of hyperbola. आपको मालूम है eccentricity 1 से ज़्यादा होती है hyperbola में. Let the equation of the hyperbola is ax square minus by square. Look here, यहाँ पे ellipse में प्लस होता है, hyperbola में माइनस होता है. So same equation is there, excepting that this is minus. So eccentricity is E is equal to 1 plus coefficient of x square over coefficient of y square. And in this case, coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of y square is b. We have to take its modulus. It is minus b, so we'll take b. 1 plus a over b. No, very simple. Now look here. A is 16, b is 3. इसका अगर मॉडुलस लेंगे 3 आ जाएगा. What is the formula? 1 plus a over b. 1 plus a over b. 1 plus a is 16, b is 3. It becomes 19 by 3, square root of 19 by 3. So, question is done. What you have seen that these tricks are very, very simple. And I am very sure that with these magic short tricks, you will be able to solve the question in short time, and saving time is the best trick in the case of competition exam. Thank you very much for watching the videos. I will request you to please share this among your friends and also subscribe it. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू, बाय।